Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer a photo onto wood or canvas. Today I'm actually going to show you the process on canvas. However, the process is identical if you are putting it onto wood. So I found these at Dollar Tree, just these small little canvases, and I thought they were really cute. I actually put magnets on the back of the ones that I'm making today. And then you are just going to need to print a photo on a regular inkjet printer with regular plain paper. And the last thing you'll need is Mod Podge, which is a decoupage. This comes in 4 different kinds, I think 4 or 5 different kinds. They've got matte, gloss, dishwasher safe, and I think there's another one. I'm not sure which it is, but they all work the same. You can use whichever one you like, and I'm going to show you both the reverse transfer method and just attaching a photo straight on. And these are both on canvas. So let's go ahead and get started. It's like a sealer, a glue, and a finish, and it protects and also attaches your project together. So I'm going to show you how to do a reverse transfer, and then I'm also going to show you how to just plain attach a photo. So let's start with the reverse transfer. And what I'm going to do is do an even coat on the object, whether it be wood, whether it be canvas, whatever surface you're wanting to use. You want to put the glue on that rather than the picture. Too much can actually be a bad thing. I've ruined quite a few that way. So for the reverse transfer, we're taking the photo and turning it upside down. And then smooth it out. Make sure you smooth out any bubbles. Now, this reverse one, all I'm going to do is set it to the side, let it dry by itself. Don't do anything to it, just forget about it for a little bit. Now to do the regular transfer, I'm going to coat canvas again, same way. But this time we're going to put the photo upright. You can use any of the decoupage glues for this. You're not limited to just one. I like the gloss finish for some reason. Okay. This one, we are setting the photo right side up. Ooh. This one I will set aside to dry as well before I do a top coat. Just so that I know it's firmly attached and it's not oversaturated and doesn't make a mess everywhere. We'll come back and put a top coat on it. These dry rather quickly, but if you do get really impatient, you could use a blow dryer. This one I would say is fairly dry. So I am just going to put a top gloss coat. To seal it in. And you really just need a really thin coat, honestly. It's a very good sealer. Once that dries, you're not going to be able to see these marks because it dries clear. Okay, now for the reverse transfer. This is dried, and I am just taking a damp rag and applying a little water to it. I don't want to get this totally saturated because that's never a good thing. Just until I'm saturating it, just until I can see the photo underneath. I don't want to get it too wet. And then we'll start to remove the paper backing. You can do this with your fingers, or you can do it with the rag. You want to be kind of gentle with this. I've had ones that I've kind of ruined going a little too rough with it. Just take your time. See, I did lose a little color on this part that was a little drier. So this way is going to look a little more vintage, a little more worn, but it still transfers the image onto your object. I'm going to go ahead and go straight into sealing this now that I've gotten all the paper backing off. And of course, since this was the reverse technique, it's not going to be as crisp and clear as the other technique of just attaching the photo. But you definitely want to seal it. So here's our final product. The one on the far right is our reversed image transfer, and that one we took all the way to the edge of the canvas. The one on the left is where I just straight attached a photo, and I did trim the edges so it looks more photo-like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.